I'm Clay Alchemist, and today we're going to do detail work quickly. For years, I've been using these ball tools for the majority of my sculpture details, and they work well, but they develop patterns when you're putting in the details. As you're just stippling all those little details on there, you'll find that either it's too uniform or it's just laid out in a way that's just not natural. What I found actually works better is to take some metal BBs and put it in the finger of a glove. And the nice thing is you can come along and just get in some of the areas that you couldn't get at before with a ball tool and get some really nice, natural, irregular details. And you can even put that on your hand and it will just stretch as you put that on. It's a little awkward looking, but it's incredible how much control you have over pressing in the details as you go. Now that's not to say that there isn't a place for the ball tool, because there's plenty of times where having that glove on just isn't going to fit in the spaces. Like right in here, trying to get some of these smaller, more delicate areas that I don't want to put too many spots in. It's a little more tricky getting in here, you know, where there is a lot of complex shapes, and that is still where the ball tool has its use. So it's a matter of combining the tools and techniques in order to get the effect that you want. Anyways, thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.